Hey everyone, welcome back. We may all be of age to be drinking, but there are some things that are just nostalgic. And when you add a little alcohol, you get all the way through. Today we're going to be making the Aperol Orange Creamsicle. For this cocktail, it is going to be a shaken cocktail, so make sure you have your shaker tins. Make sure you have your jigger for accurate measurements. This one is going to be going in a coupe glass. We are going to be using some fresh juice, so you're going to need both of your strainers, your Hawthorne and your mesh strainer. So we've got our fresh orange juice, we have cream of coconut, we have orange liqueur, we've got Aperol, and we also have some vanilla vodka that's going to be going into this. And don't forget, down below listed are the ingredients. That way you can make the cocktail right along with me. We are going to start with 1 full ounce of our fresh squeezed orange juice, of which I have exactly enough. Then we have our cream of coconut. What is happening? What is happening? For the love of, all right. Well, we have 1 full ounce of cream of coconut, and it is excited to see everybody. Oh my goodness gracious. This is another one that does tend to stick in the jigger, so you'll have to use your stirring spoon to get it all out, including the other end. I'm making a giant mess. It's what I do best. It's everywhere. All right, then we have 1 full ounce of our orange liqueur, 1 full ounce of Aperol. Are you sensing a pattern yet? Then I'm going to throw one at you. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of vanilla vodka. Glug, 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 glug. We're going to put the non-messy side down, even though it's everywhere. And then we are going to fill our shaker tin with ice, and we're going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it is ice cold in our hand. I need a bigger bowl. Doesn't do me any good to have a bigger scoop if I don't have a bigger bowl. Just saying. Aggression. Ugh. Again. Oh, there we go. Seem to be having technical difficulties tonight. I can't even talk. All right, we've got both of our strainers. We've got our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer for this one, since we use that fresh orange juice. This one has got a gorgeous color to it. I absolutely love the way this cocktail turns out. Give it a couple taps, get the rest of that juice out of there. And then for our garnish, we're going to use a dehydrated orange. We're just going to plop her right on top. And there she is. This is the Aperol Orange Creamsicle. And it straight up smells like an ice cream. It's insane. Oh yeah, that's dangerous. Very orangey, very creamsicle-y.
Is it like the real thing?
It's straight up like the real thing, and I don't taste an ounce of liquor in here. So yeah, this is a dangerous one. I'm gonna warn you in advance. But don't forget, if you like the cocktails, my gorgeous face, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't try this one, I'm coming after you. That's all I'm saying, because this is delicious. Until the next pour, guys.